In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. We'll be working in the newer Mailchimp email builder, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place two buttons next to each other, customize how they look, and fine-tune the layout so it feels professional and on brand. First, go ahead and start a new email campaign in your Mailchimp account. Once you've created the campaign, choose the option to design your email. This opens up the email builder where you'll see your content area in the middle and a panel on the side with all the blocks and settings you can use. To get two buttons side by side, you don't start with the button block itself. Instead, you begin with a layout block. In the content panel, look for the section called Layouts. Here, you'll see different structures, including layouts with multiple columns. Choose a two-column layout. Sometimes it's labeled with something like 1-2-1, or simply shown as two columns next to each other. Drag that layout into the part of your email where you want the buttons to appear. Now that you have your two columns in place, it's time to add the buttons. In the same content panel, find the button block. Drag one button block into the first column, then drag a second button block into the second column. You should now see two separate buttons sitting next to each other in your email design. Next, you'll customize each button so they do what you need them to do. Click on the first button to open its settings. Here, you can change the button text, which is simply the label that appears on the button, like Shop Now or Learn More. Right below that, set the link URL so that when someone clicks the button, it takes them to the correct page on your website, store, or landing page. Scroll through the style options to adjust the button's appearance. You can change the background color, text color, font, padding around the text, and alignment within the column. Center alignment usually looks clean and balanced, especially when you have two buttons side by side. Repeat the same process for the second button so each one has its own text, link, and styling. Finally, fine-tune the widths of your buttons by adjusting the column divider. Hover between the two columns until you see the drag handle, then click and drag to make one column wider or narrower. This controls how much space each button takes up, helping you balance the layout and get the exact look you want.